handyman project. Every year they ask us for one veteran. It's really hard to pick with all the veterans we have, but we try to find one that is really in need and that can use the help. And this year we found an excellent candidate.
We always find a local veteran that is needing some help, and go through a list of projects that they need, and then we find some projects that we can do for them in a day. And these guys were awesome. He's a wounded combat medic in Vietnam, and she's a cancer survivor, so it was the right time, right place, and right thing to do for these guys. They're very, very deserving, and it's great to be able to shut down the office for a day and be able to provide a better quality of life for them when we're done.
Hi, my name is Joe Saida. I'm a wounded combat veteran from Vietnam. I served with the 101st Airborne Division. I was awarded the Silver Star, Purple Heart, Army Commendation Medal with a Valor device. As I said, I was a combat medic. I was wounded in Camp Currahee in the Ashaw Valley in Vietnam, where I received shrapnel wounds all over my body. And all I have to say is I thank Mr. Handyman for coming and doing the things that I'm unable to do at this time. So if you get a chance, call Mr. Handyman, because they're great people and the work is phenomenal. I thank them for their service and they thanked me.